So I have a feeling that today the crypto market is going to be pretty boring. There's not going to be a whole lot going on. We're probably going to see a lot of volume dropping off. We're already seeing this so far from yesterday. And it's because there is something coming tomorrow that will create a little bit of a spark in the market one way or the other. We're going to talk about that as well as kind of my general assessment of what's happening throughout crypto right now. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So looking at Shiba Inu in general, we're still just range bound. We're still just chopping. And what we're seeing is volatility really compressing down in a big way. All right. Each of these days has been less and less and less volatility. We're getting very tightly range bound currently. Again, Shiba Inu right around actually this floor from October, which is a good sign. But also we're sitting right above these levels from basically August 24th and 25th, which was actually a key point of resistance. So we're sitting on a good foundation right now. That doesn't mean it's going to hold. Okay, just get that out of the way first of all. But we're sitting on a good foundation where Shib is trying to set this floor for this rebound and move to the upside, right? Now, what's interesting here is a lot of people like to dog Shiba Inu. I've seen a lot of negative sentiment from comments, and you know what? I get it. We've obviously dropped a lot since October. We're obviously lower than these prices that we were dealing with in November. And really what we've seen across meme coins in general is a pretty substantial drop in terms of the overall market cap. So for example, if we take a look, let me just cover up my box here, guys. So when we take a look at what has happened since December 8th, we've actually dropped off by almost 50% in the global market cap of altcoins, okay, from 137 billion down to about 71 billion at the time of filming this video. Volume has dropped from the range of 28 billion, 24 billion down to 8 billion per day. So we've seen a pretty substantial drop off. And basically what this is indicating that right now is that most of the people in the box right now, the people that are in crypto currently, they don't care about meme coins per se. All right. I'm not going to say they don't care at all because we're still seeing pretty high volume. I mean, $8 billion is pretty substantial volume. But compared to those December highs, the excitement that was happening there right now, there at that time, it's not here right now. Obviously, we know a couple things that suck some wind out of our sails, right? Obviously, the Willow quantum computing chip. Can't remember what happened around December 20th. Obviously, we know, what did happen around December 20th? I can't remember. And then we obviously had the Trump and Melania meme coins, which currently, guys, still sit here holding a lot of liquidity that came from other assets. That's why even though the market cap is for the overall meme coin market is about the same range as it was on November 9th and 10th or 8th, we're seeing most meme coins down in price from that point. Okay. It is what it is. It kind of sucks, but understand that it will get better, right? So again, what we're waiting for across the crypto market is just excitement to heat up. We're waiting for that, that burst that really brings people back into the market. And what's interesting is, tomorrow may be a time where the market does get a little bit of a spark. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that, because understand that tomorrow is a jobs report. These jobs reports can be good. They can be bad. And what we're seeing in the market right now is short and long leverage very tightly compressing around these prices. This is why volatility is lessening and lessening and lessening. We're getting compressed and we're waiting for something to send us one way or the other. All right. Now, this may seem non-committal, right? I don't know which way this is going to head. Right now, there is more short interest in the market than there is long interest. They're trying to push prices down. They're trying to suppress things. They're trying to get further discounts. And luckily, across the market, we've done a pretty good job of beating that away. And that is why, we get stuck in kind of these range bound areas. They try to press down too far. We push them back. We try to press up too far. They push us back. It gets kind of boring. All right. Now, what I will say is it will get boring before it's not. We have seen this many times before, right? If we look at back here when we were just trading sideways in terms of Shib, things were pretty damn boring. There wasn't a whole lot going on. And then we had a burst of excitement, right? Boring, 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 excitement. Boring, 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 excitement. And now this has sucked. The drop sucks, right? And right now things are in fact boring. When we look at, for example, something like Shiba Inu, volume has fallen to $300 million in the last 24 hours. And again, this is part of the extension of, overall volume in the crypto market dropping down to 117 billion, down 29% from yesterday. It's because everybody's waiting. All right. Nobody wants to make a wrong move here. Nobody wants to be unloading when they should be buying. Nobody wants to be buying when they should be unloading. It sucks. I get it, right? But this will pass. We will get past these times where time it seems like nothing is frankly going on, and excitement will ensue. All right. Meme coin search optics outside the space still incredibly high. We just need that conversion. We need people to come into the market, like I talked about yesterday. So really what we need is just this continued sign of improvement, not just in crypto, but from an economic standpoint. We need to see a good jobs report tomorrow. We need to see good CPI reports along the way. We need to have obviously more embrace from this new administration that's coming into the place, all or into the country, right? No, more. You guys get what I'm saying. We need to have more embrace from this new administration that is coming into play. And all these things are going to work together to create a movement in price. Just understand it may not be as soon as you want it to. Now, that being said, what we are seeing right now on the Shiba Inu charts on the EMA is a death cross currently. Again, this doesn't necessarily indicate more downside, but what it does indicate is usually a local sentiment bottom, which is a good sign. Now, understand that on the SMA, we're not even close quite yet. This is still probably about 10 days away or so, 8 days away. So watch for this as well. This could still be counteracted here. We could still see Shib kind of boom out of these ranges. Maybe we get the burst of excitement. Maybe we get a Shiba Inu breakout, and then everything starts to fall. It all happens abruptly. It all happens when people least expect it. Right now, the negative sentiment, I don't get it. I get it because it's boring, but right now, nothing is really that bad if you really think about it. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. What do you think comes next? Are we going to see some movement tomorrow? But have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.